I'd be looking like a Christmas tree and I wouldn't care. I can live in gold for my entire life. It's the new year. It's time to dress up, look good, glam up, look blingy, look over the top. I mean, this is probably the only time of the year where you can really look over the top without feeling guilty, because why not? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yashika Vakil and today I'm going to be doing a very fun video. Now, we are in December. It is the holiday season. I love Christmas, I love New Year's, I love everything in between. I also love overeating, but that's not the point. Anyways, so today I've put together a bunch of cute cocktail dresses, outfits, going out / party dresses that you can probably take inspiration from. I'm so excited for you guys to go through all of these looks because I'm sure y'all are gonna love either something or the other, and y'all are gonna get some inspiration to put together your own outfits. So without any further ado, let's get started. So my first pick is this deep red / maroon play suit. I really love this play suit for how simple it is, how easy it is. I love the lace detailing on the side. I think it makes it look a little bit sexy. I love the v-neck that it has. I think v-neck really complements a lot of body types and a lot of people. Since the rest of the outfit is quite simple, I decided to go a little bit heavy on the accessories because I feel like accessories really make or break your outfit. They are so important. If you want to look a little bit more glam, a little bit more extra, just add accessories to any of your outfits and that will just do the job. I think this color is perfect not just for New Year's but also for Christmas because it is such a deep red color. I think it gives a very Christmassy vibe. This is probably one of the easiest outfits that you guys could take an inspiration from because it is a simple black maxi dress. I mean, I really randomly found this in my wardrobe and I thought, why not create a look with it? So I went ahead with a maxi dress. It has a really nice slit on one side, which I think looks really nice and sexy. And the entire outfit is black. I wanted to do something extra, so then I went ahead and paired it up with this blingy jacket. Now, if y'all don't know me, let me tell you, I love everything that shines. I love bling, I love sequin, I love all of that jazz. So I really loved pairing this one up with the sequin jacket that I've been having in my wardrobe since years. I think it really brings out this outfit. I decided to keep it simple with the heels and I went for a black strappy block heel. Since the outfit in itself is very blingy with the jacket, I decided to go for no accessories because sometimes you need to really go with the vibe. If you do not have a sequin jacket, you can wear it with anything else. You can wear it with a print jacket, you can add animal prints to it. I mean, really just go with the flow. If you don't want to do any of those, then you can just keep the outfit as it is and probably pair it up with a blingy clutch or a good pair of heels, and I think you should be good to go. So the next outfit is also really simple. It's a little black dress, but it is an organza dress. Guys, organza has been really trending lately. It looks really nice, it looks really simple, and it looks really classy. I think it really adds something to this black dress. I've paired it up with a little bralette, which I think makes it look really nice, really sexy without going too overboard. Now, since the entire outfit was black, I decided to pair it up with some fun heels. So I paired it up with hot pink heels. So I'm the kind of person who loves loud colors, especially if my entire outfit is really plain and simple. I will definitely be sure that I add some colorful heels or a colorful bag to it, but that's how I am. If you do not want to add such loud colors to your outfit, then you can definitely pick either a gold or a silver heel as well. That would look just as good. And for the bag, I decided to keep it simple with this little gold clutch with gold detailing on it because I think it looks nice and cute with this entire look. So the next look is also one of my favorites. Is this cute little bottle green play suit. I love how this looks. I love how it shines. The material is very satiny. It gives it a very Christmas vibe. Again, since the outfit was a solid color, I decided to go really heavy on the jewelry. So I paired it up with this chunky gold necklace that I've been having since years and years. I don't even remember since when, but I thought it looked really nice. It really made this outfit look like a party wear outfit. Again, paired it up with a gold clutch and some black heels. I think this is such a cute look for Christmas. It's very nice, it's very comfortable. So the next look is one of my favorites. This outfit is super OTT, probably for some of you guys, but for me, I absolutely love it. I love everything that shines, that's blingy, and that's why this is something I would totally wear for New Year's. And it is this gold sequin dress. It is completely sequined, it is completely blingy, it is so glam. I absolutely love this one. So I decided to pair this up with some red ankle heels. I think it makes the entire look really sexy and really nice. For those of y'all who think this bling is a lot, y'all can definitely pair it up with a blazer. I decided to go for a white blazer because I think white and gold looks really nice together. For this look, I decided to go for a pair of plaid shorts and a satin v-neck lace top. And obviously, since the entire look was so simple, I decided to add some animal print to it because I also love animal prints and I think it really makes any look really sexy. So my last look is super cute. I feel like it gives a really princess sort of a vibe. So basically it's this organza skirt and I pair it up with this black simple tube top. Since the entire look was again so black and so simple, I decided to add this gold belt to it, which I think really elevates the entire look. For the back, I decided to keep it simple again with this black clutch with gold detailing which completely matches the belt. As for the heels, I decided to add a leopard print heel to it, but if you do not have a leopard print heel or if that's not your vibe, then you can always go for a black heel or for any other colored heels, because to be honest, any heel would match this look because it's completely black. So guys, those were my outfits for holiday/New Year. I hope these outfits have given you some or the other inspiration. Obviously, you can pair up anything with anything. These are just outfits that I've created that match my sense of fashion, but obviously you can tweak them around as per your sense of fashion, as per whatever you like. So yeah, I hope these looks have inspired you in some or the other way, and I really hope that you're able to come up with a bomb-ass outfit for your Christmas and for your New Year. Always remember to wear outfits that match your personal sense of style and fashion and something that you're really comfortable in, because only if you're comfortable in your outfit will you be able to eat more food. And let's not deny the fact that holidays are all about eating amazing food, spending good time with family, friends, dancing, welcoming the new year. I mean, it's such a fun time. So yeah, hope you guys have a lot of fun putting together outfits. For your reference, I'll be putting down links to whatever outfits I've worn in today's video. I hope I can find each one of those outfits. If not, I will definitely try to link below something similar to that. So do check out the description box below. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. You can also check me out on my Instagram. I'm way more active there, so you can check out my cute little stories. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, share it with your friends. Comment below and let me know which was your favorite outfit. Also let me know which was your least favorite outfit. And yeah, that's about it. Until next time, hope you guys have a lot of fun. Stay safe, stay healthy, eat a lot, party more. Just let it go, because this year has been so hard on all of us and we really need to chill the F out this new year. So let's stay safe. Okay, let's stay safe. Let's not forget that there is a pandemic situation that's still not over yet. So let's stay safe. And I think 2021 is definitely going to be a much better year for all of us. So let's have good hopes, good vibes for the next year. And yeah, until then, I will see you in my next video.